Here we are at example 9 from our 8.4 set of notes. We're asked to divide this following rational expression. Now when we look at it, we notice that we have this rational expression divided by this rational expression. And what we want to go ahead and do first is maybe just rewrite this item. So because we see that we have this rational expression on top, we're going to have that actually one come first. So this guy's going to come first. And this bottom one is going to be second. Now placements for this is actually incredibly crucial, otherwise you'll start maybe dividing the wrong thing and flipping things that shouldn't be flipped. So again, because this is on top, he comes first. So we have x squared minus 9 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6, and it is being divided by this second piece, this entire bottom piece, the x squared plus 4x plus 3. We're not doing any flipping yet, we're just pretty much rewriting this expression here, divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. So again, just rewrote this huge expression because it's got a lot of pretty much bars and crazy fractions, but it's important to note that this middle bar right here we rewrote with a division symbol. Next, what we typically do is go ahead and factor this. So when we do that, we end up with x plus 3 times x minus 3 on the top left one, divided by x minus 3 times x minus 2. Going ahead and factoring this item, we end up with x plus 3 times x plus 1. And factoring the bottom right, we end up with x plus 2 times x plus 1. Next, what we can go ahead and do is flip the second piece, in which case we would end up with x plus 3 times x minus 3 for the first piece, divided by that x minus 3 times x minus 2. Again, we're going to flip this entire second one. So we have that x plus 2 on top, the x plus 1 as well, all over x plus 3 times x plus 1. And again, the reason why we are flipping is because we are dividing the second rational expression. Now when we flip it, we're going to go ahead and change the division to a multiplication. So now we are in a position where we can go ahead and cancel some things out. Looks like we can go ahead and drop out this x minus 3 on top and this x minus 3 on the bottom. It appears that the x plus 1 can also be dropped out. One's on top, one's on bottom, and including also the x plus 3. There's one on top, one on bottom. So the only thing left over would come out to be that x plus 2 divided by that x minus 2. You don't have to have parentheses, you can leave it like that. Typically, just by force of habit, I've always thrown parentheses around them, but again, it does not really matter. Again though, that is example 9 from our 8.4 set of notes.